Good morning, students. Today's topic is change of states of matter. How the states of matter changes from solid to liquid, liquid to gas. In our daily life, the various substances exist in the three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Example like water, wax, ghee, etc. Water is the most commonly example used in our daily life. First, in solid form, water exists in the form of ice. In liquid form, it changes into water. Ice melt into water, and after boiling, water change into water vapors. But water vapors, on cooling, it again changes into water, and water again at a very low temperature, means cooling, it changes into ice. So water is very important to change all the three states of matter. Now next is interconversion of states of matter. How the states of matter are interconvertible. This can be interchanged by the two factors. First is change in temperature, second is change in pressure. Means the process of change of matter from one state to another and back to original state by the condition of temperature and pressure. This is called as interconversion of states of matter. Now this is the diagram to show the interconversion of three states of matter. Solid change into liquid by the process of melting. Liquid change into gas by the process of vaporization or evaporation. Gas again change into liquid form, that by the process of condensation, and liquid again changes into solid form by the process of freezing. Solid directly change into gas without undergoing into liquid form. This process is called as sublimation. And the gas again change into solid form without undergoing in liquid state. This process is also called as sublimation. Now what are the important terms used in the change of states of matter? Here I will discuss one by one. Now the first term is melting or fusion. Means it is the process of conversion of a matter from solid state to its liquid state at the specific condition of temperature and pressure. This is called as melting or fusion. Now what do you mean by melting point? Melting point means a definite temperature at which the solid start melting. This is called as melting point. The melting point of ice, that is 0 degree Celsius, or you can say that 273 Kelvin. Now the next term is boiling and boiling point. Now one more point in melting point. The melting point depends on the strength of the force of attraction between the particle of the solid. Higher the melting point of a substance, greater will be the force of attraction between the particles, like solid. Now the next important term, that is boiling and boiling point. Means boiling is a process of conversion of a matter from its liquid state to gaseous state at a specific condition of temperature and pressure. And what do you mean by boiling point? The temperature at which the liquid start boiling at the atmospheric pressure. This is called as boiling point. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Means the particle from the liquid state gain energy and it will be converted into vapor state. Now the next term is sublimation. Sublimation is a process in which the solid state directly changes into gaseous state without passing through the liquid state on heating, and gaseous state changes into solid state without going to liquid state on cooling. This is called as sublimation. Like naphthalene balls. We use naphthalene balls in our homes. It is in solid form. After some months, it changes into gaseous form. Means it is completely disappear. Means solid form directly into gaseous form without undergoing in its liquid state. Now the next example is camphor, iodine, ammonium chloride. All these examples are sublimation. Next term is vaporization. Means the process of conversion of liquid state to its gaseous state at the specific condition of temperature and pressure. This is called as vaporization. Now the next important term, that is freezing and freezing point. Now freezing. The process of conversion of a matter from its liquid state changes into solid state at the specific condition of temperature and pressure. This is called as freezing. It is the reverse process of melting or fusion. And what do you mean by freezing point? Means the temperature at which liquid changes into solid state by giving the heat energy at 1 atmosphere pressure. This is called as freezing point. Now the last important term, that is condensation. Condensation means the process of conversion of matter from its gaseous state to its liquid state at the specific condition of temperature and pressure. This is called as condensation. It is the reverse process of vaporization or evaporation. Thank you, students.